guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I get this fluffy, glamorous hairstyle. Can you believe this is an old hair that I moisturized yesterday? Take a look. 360. Yes, yesterday I moisturized my hair. I did it live and it was really fun. I twisted because I wanted a really big fluffy style this week, and I am so excited and so happy with how it turned out. Look at this, the frizz, the bounces. So all I did, I used some water, my curl cream, and my shea butter, and a little tiny bit of this shea styling gel, and that's all I needed to moisturize my hair. My hair feels soft, like it's bouncy, it's healthy, and it's gonna get bigger throughout the week, but this is exciting. I am so proud of my hair. I am so proud of myself. I feel like this is a wonderful style that you can wear anywhere. Anyway, if you are interested on this style, please watch this video how I take it out. It was very quick and easy, very elegant style. Anyway, remember, your hair is beautiful, your hair is gorgeous, and your hair was wonderfully made just for you. Remember to enjoy it, to have fun with it, and also remember your hair is a wonderful accessory, so play with it, try a different style. It was made well for you. Please enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. change